Hello everyone, my name is Rushil Shekhar and I'm a part of the IIM Indore's IPM batch of 2020-25. I completed my 12th from the Nursi Monji College of Commerce and Economics. So I chose the IPM program because of its diverse and unique curriculum which would help me grow as an individual rather than just develop managerial skills. This course also aligns with my skills and interest of pursuing managerial education and becoming a business leader. Furthermore, this course also offers me the opportunity to stay at the prestigious IIM Indore for a period of 5 years. The colleges which I targeted were Symbiosis, NMIMS, Christ University, IIM Rohtak and IIM Indore. So how did I prepare for IPM AT? So I joined the Time Classroom course in 2019 and since then I've been preparing religiously for this exam. For IPM AT I had prepared a timetable which I have followed to the T, and this timetable included 9 hours of study time and also separately included 1 hour in which I used to read newspaper articles, especially the editorials and other books which helped me build my vocabulary. Apart from this, I also maintained a book in which I used to write the formulas which I used to revise regularly whenever I had time. The Time institution has really helped me since I joined the institution in 2019. So the classroom lectures have been fun as the teachers were very cooperative and helped me solve my doubt however minuscule they were. And in 2020 when the coronavirus pandemic struck, all the students were in panic, but Time was quick to react and they came up with their online lecture series which released 2 to 3 lectures daily, and this has helped me keep my studies on track and build my basics, and I have followed all the videos of Time diligently. The Time study material was concise and precise, and I have only referred to the study material of Time and not any other institution, and this has really helped me save a lot of time. And the faculty also has been really responsive, and whenever I used to ask them doubts, they used to respond in time, and I think that has really helped me progress a lot, and give a lot of credit to the faculty. Mock test and the sectional test provided by Time were really helpful in my preparation. I used to aim to give at least 2 to 3 sectional tests per day, and in the end I have completed all of them, and even the mock tests were really close to the actual exam pattern, and when I give the actual IPM AT 2020 examination, I did not find it as challenging as people would call it, because the Time test really helped me in analyzing in the areas in which I was weak at, and it also provided me with a AIR rank which helped me work on my weaknesses and get a good overall score. The teachers at Time have been extremely amicable and easy to approach, and this has helped me clear the smallest of doubts. You could approach them on any medium. Sometimes I used to write them emails and they used to reply to me within an hour or two, or I could send them a doubt on Telegram or so and they would reply me with a proper explanation, and no matter how many times I asked the silliest of doubts, they would patiently answer to all my questions and help clear my concepts. And that is why Time as an institute has been so unique from other institutions, as it really focuses on teaching the students rather than just helping them score a good grade. So Time has also helped me in my VAT and PI training. As soon as I got the provisional offer letter for the second round of the institution, I had to send a mail to Time, and they were quick to reply and send me an assignment which I had to complete and send to them. Time analyzed and helped me rectify my errors for all the VAT, and they organized the mock interview for me, which really helped boost my confidence and eventually reflected on my original interview. So my tips to the future IPM AT aspirants: firstly, it would be to believe in yourself and have that passion that you can get into this program. and you should never get disheartened by the score you get in a mock. I've got a lot of bad scores in my mock, but I made sure that I have that confidence and ability in me to always back myself and my strengths in order to score well in the IPA mat. So this was my first tip, that you should always believe in yourself no matter whatever you score or no matter what others are scoring. Also like to advise you that you should create a perfect timetable which suits your 12th standard preparation along with the IP mat preparation, and therefore you should be able to manage both. So that's really important for you as a student, and you should not just focus on preparing. You should give yourself short breaks which would help you regain the knowledge that you've learned. Another really important point that I like to highlight is that a student should maintain books, especially for quantitative ability and verbal ability. So particularly what I did was that after every lecture ended, I maintained a notebook containing all the formulas and special questions. And in verbal ability, I made sure that I wrote down 3 words per day along with the sentence and its meaning, which really helped me in retaining the word. And along with that, I also wrote down many grammatical rules and sentences, which eventually helped me in verbal ability. I would also recommend you to do all the time handouts, especially because I have finished all the reading comprehension and the grammatical handouts of time, and I did nothing else apart from that. So I'd recommend that you finish the time material as in when you have some free time on your hands. So my last minute strategy was that I did not study anything new. So I'd recommend you to not study anything new because if you learn anything at the end, it will only create panic and nothing else. So what I particularly did was that I did not give any mock test. I just revised whatever I had written in my notebook and slept for a proper amount of time. So that's what I would advise you, to sleep well, revise whatever you've already done, learn nothing new, and don't give any mocks, because that will only add to the tension of giving the examination. The staff at Time was very accommodating and helped us throughout this journey. One distinctive feature of Time was that they arranged call with the seniors who had already cleared this exam and were from Time, and this really helped me know more about the institution, the curriculum, and obviously the tips that the seniors gave to us were very helpful when we gave the examination. They were available whenever I required them, and a big shout out to the staff at Time. I coped up with my studies by taking regular breaks. At a stretch, I did not study for more than 2 hours. I took regular breaks. Although I studied for 9 hours a day, I used to take regular breaks of not more than 30 minutes. And in those breaks, I used to watch a lot of videos and also read newspapers, which helped me improve my grammar, and watch the news. In these 30-minute breaks, what I primarily used to do is watch YouTube videos, watch a bit of Netflix, and along with that, I used to read newspaper to build my grammar and vocabulary. So I would suggest that you should not study for more than 2 hours at a stretch, and take regular breaks to refresh your memory and retain all the knowledge that you've gained while studying. So what I actually used to do is that I used to keep a reminder on my phone that I will get into the integrated program in management of IIM Indore, and by seeing that, I always used to get motivated and ready to go for another day, and that is what really pushed me. Of course, along with this, the teachers at Time and the faculty really helped me and boosted my confidence, which helped me do well in the examination. I would also recommend you to take care of your health, because when you're studying for IPMAT, it can really take a toll on your health. So make sure that you sleep well, and accordingly also take walks in these 30 minutes break which I previously mentioned. So you should make sure that you take proper walks there should be proper body movement, and try to restrict the junk food that you eat. I used to manage stress primarily by listening to songs. So I think you should just find whatever suits you and do that activity at least for an hour or so in the span of one day. I always focus on becoming a person who was better than yesterday and kept learning each and every day. So I would recommend the same to you, and I'm sure it will work. So just be motivated and have that passion to give this examination. So that's all from my side. All the best to the future IPM aspirants, and good luck for examinations.